I am standing in a girl's bedroom, actually the study room that's adjacent to our occupant's bedroom. She loves pink, so clearly we have done pink on the wall. But I want to talk a little bit about wallpaper. Wallpaper has become one of the most popular decor items now that we're seeing more pattern come back into our lives. I know for some people it is very stressful to know that pattern is coming back, but it is. And it's in rooms like this that are not the main rooms, but adjacent to the main rooms. And that's why we use wallpaper in here. What I want you to notice though, when you are doing wallpaper yourself or you're going to hire someone to do wallpaper, is you need to ask for a proper pattern match. Those are the words you want to use, and you want to test to make sure whoever you're hiring knows what you mean. Let me show you what I mean. Here, this is actually two pieces of wallpaper that have been pushed together. So you get a seam, but you can't really see the seam because the pattern is so tight. This is what is key in doing a really good pattern match. So when you're hiring someone, you're going to ask about this, and you want to order more wallpaper than you think you need because they often need more in order to do a good pattern match. So that's just a little tip. If you're willing to brave wallpaper and try it out, this is what you need to do to get it to look perfect.